Hi traders, so I'm here again, and in today's video I want to talk about a really serious topic, and that is why actually backtest results and strategy tester results are not that bad, and why they are actually quite reliable if you use them correctly. Because I see a change in the perspective of traders of this topic. So many traders in the past thought that backtests are just the backtests are the holy grail, and if you have a great backtest, then you will have a great EA robot that will make you millions of dollars. And actually they thought that if you have a great backtest, it is 100% correlating with the future performance of the EA. And of course it is not true, and traders just failed all the time. And it is an interesting story, because I saw that change, how traders realize that not all backtests are as good as it seems. And I talk about this topic in many of my videos, that you have to have certain rules to make a backtest really correct and really reliable. But if you have a backtest that you actually you cared about, and you bought 99.9% tick data, that is just the one of the major points where you can fail when you are backtesting. And I see so many sellers, so many developers using very low quality tick data, and that is just deadly. And it's quite suspicious to me that they are using these tick datas to fool traders, and especially beginners, because beginners won't see that small number that the quality of that backtest data was 90, not 90, but 25%, because even 90% tick data is not enough. But I see so many sellers just using like 25% tick data accuracy. And how accurate is that? That is not accurate at all. That is just anything that you want it to look like. It is just some art and some beautiful curves of a woman of your dreams. But trading is not just about that. So you have to have not 90% but 99.9% tick data, and that is a huge part of backtesting actually. And even professionals don't use that kind of backtest data all the time, and I don't understand that, because when I realized that it exists, I had, when I started trading and developing EAs, I didn't have that much money, but I bought it as an investment in myself and my trading, because it is just that important. So I recommend for you to go to a website where you can buy very high quality tick data. Stop all your backtesting until you just didn't buy it, and buy that and just use that. Because most of the time with these kind of backtest data that you buy, you can calculate slippage, you can use real variable spreads and not the fixed spread, and you can use every kind of calculation to have a real look on how your EA will behave in the future, and how it will behave if the spread is high, if slippage is high or low, or the swaps and anything, because they are existing things in the markets, and you have to be really careful. But my point is, if you use real real tick data, and if you calculate real swaps spread and all these kind of things, and because when you are, you know, buying a scalper, you are a loser. But anyway, if you are buying a scalper, they trick you in at least 3 ways, and they trick you with the spreads, the swaps, when they are trading in a day, because and okay, I will make another video on it because it has an interesting story also. So the point is that I want to make is that backtest data is backtesting is not that bad. Backtesting is actually a really it can be a really reliable and useful thing if you use it right. And if you see a backtest data that has just below 99% tick data, that is bullshit. That performance won't be presented in the future. And I will show you some things, because I saw robots that were this beautiful when they were backtested with 90% data, and they were this bad they were backtested with the real tick data that is 99.9%. So and I think maybe I will make videos on it, how to really use backtesting, because people are just, you know, are not that impressed with backtesting anymore. But it is still a really good way to tell if your EA is good or not. But you have to use it in the right way, because if you use it in the incorrect ways, you are right, you will fail 100% of the time. So and I was just thinking about one thing. If you are interested in live trading, and if you are interested to see me live trading and do some tricks and some pattern analysis, you know, and some indicator trading, and any kind of you know, just techniques, how to build a real strategy, just you know, just comment it, and I might do a series where I will do live trading for you guys. So, ciao!